So guys, I've been trying for the last few days, trying to figure out how to get this all to work. I don't really get it. I don't know how to get from here. So FYI, this is all in Character Animator. It's like one of the Adobe programs. I have no idea how to get from here into OBS. I've tried downloading the program that it's asking me to do, but it's not working and I don't know how to get to work, and I really wanted to test this out on a stream, and I'm kind of exhausted and kind of over it. Not gonna lie. Let's see, does any of my stuff work? Let's see if this works. I'm really over it. What happened? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm over it. I'm over it. Totally over it, and it's so janky. But yeah, we tried. Oh my gosh, look at how bad. I have a lot of coloring I need to do left on this, but you guys are getting like the sneak peek of what's going on behind the scenes. Yeah. I'm so miserable. Anyways, yeah, so we'll probably stream later on in the week. I was just trying to hopefully get this figured out and done for you guys so I could use it as a channel point redeem, but I can't figure it out and it's very janky. So have a good rest of your day off. I will see you guys later in the week. Bye.